video of this. You might be wondering, we made a different science video, so my brother, we cut off a little bit and it's melting in my hands. So we decided to put it in the sun, and we have 2 forks. Me and my brother are going to take turns. My brother hurt his hand like 3 times, I think, because of the metal, the fork. So, wait, I think I said spoon at the first time. Okay, my turn, Aaron. I think it's because you hit here. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Oh, wait, I got it. Oh, now it says we can't take these part off. So we just gonna open it?
It says that?
I don't know. Can we go inside and get it? Okay. Is the door thing open? Here, let me try it. I'm struggling.
Why you hold this?
Okay, I'm gonna hold the phone. My mom is gonna go. Ooh. Okay. It's hard to see when I'm looking at the camera. Say it's right there. It's gonna be hard, and then I finally grab it. Okay, so I do see a little bit of ice still on this thing. So no, Aaron, you scared me that I took off the ice that was here. Hurry up, mommy. Okay, let's see what it's gonna look like next. Hey, bad boy. Bad, naughty boy.
Release the frozen ice ball.
Release the frozen ice ball. Can you take this out? Yes, that too.
Yeah,
Yes?
now you can now start the experiment. Put some household salt on your plate and have to cover the center with drop it in the aluminum ice ball and cover the ice ball with the salt.
I just heard plate and ice ball with salt. So, now my pants are dirty. It's really. Look at this. What are those? What are those? Okay. Aaron, is that actually for real? What are those? Your pants? Yeah. But if they were clean, they're not. No? Okay.